Hi ladies, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful little flowers. I just realized I am completely out of the satin ribbon 3/8, so I'm going to go ahead and show you with a 5/8 ribbon. Okay, so it's a little hard to see with the 5/8, so I'm going to go ahead and show you with a wider ribbon so you can actually see the process of it, and then I will go ahead and show you with the 5/8. So here we go. You're going to grab your ribbon. You're going to fold down halfway, and then you're going to heat and seal your ends, okay? So undo it. There you go. And then you're going to bring it down. Have those ends meet together, and you should get this shape, okay? You go in one corner, and then you come back up. Leave that space, and then you go all the way like that. Then you go back in, okay, and then you come back up. So it should be like this. Back, and then that's how the front should look like. Okay, so go ahead and cut 12 of these, ribbon size 5/8, and then 2 inches across. Then you go ahead and heat and seal the ends, and you're going to fold it down like that. And then you're going to go ahead and bring it down. Meet the two ribbons together, and you should get this shape right here. Remember, this is the same process for the 3/8, 7/8, and then this one, which is the 5/8. Go in, okay, and then you're gonna like this, and then you're gonna leave a little space in the middle, and then you're gonna go back in. Just be very careful, okay, and then you're gonna go back up. Okay, so it should be like this. Do you see that? And you're going to do that to all your ribbons. So we'll do it again. This ribbon, it is a little harder to work with because it has like I don't know if it's vinyl or what it is, but it's a little harder to get through, so I don't know. Anyways, just keep going, just keep going. Pull them together. Make sure they're facing the same way, and it should look like that. Look at that, so beautiful. You can add more petals to it, just to, I mean, it just depends on how full you want your flower to look like. And remember, okay, here, and you can add an embellishment to the center like that.